Hello everybody. I have a little bit of a busy day today, and today's video is going to be about lots of little bits and pieces. And one of the things that I want to talk to you about, and I'm going to start out with, is the fact that I am planning to do a video. I'm planning to do it as soon as I can get all of the stuff sent to me to put it together, because I'd love to have it done sometime around the holidays. Between Christmas and New Year's is probably more likely when it's going to actually happen. I got the idea from Sandy Jaffe. She had mentioned it in one of my live streams. And last year, some of you might remember that I did a video that a lot of people seem to love about mothers and daughters. And I think it takes us to a place of great memories and great caring and lots of emotions that stir us on a very real level. This year, what I would like to do is I am going to do a video about us and our pets. Theirs can be pets from today, the ones that share your life now. They can be pets from your past that have shared your life. What I would like you to do is send me, and it has to be a good quality photo. You can send me a JPEG, and I'd like you to write a little blurb about it. If you want to include a separate photo of you so that I can have a photo of you and your dog, cat, fish, bird, whatever, and have that all as part of the video that I'm going to be doing. So again, I need you to send me pictures, talk to me about what you want to send in, and just again, to write a little something about what they have meant to you, a special moment in their lives with you, or anything that is meaningful to you, and I will share it as a video for all of you to enjoy. That's number one. Number two, I did a video yesterday, have not uploaded it yet, but it was on the Emile Cordon, the lip balms. It's the Miracle Lip Balm they had sent to me very kindly, and I did a whole video on it. And you will see that probably later in the day or tomorrow. But I will apply it again. I found something really interesting yesterday when I did use it. Because the ones that I have are not lip stains, they are just the lip balm. I put it on over lipstick, and I did it twice during the day because I tried it on a matte lipstick and on a shiny lipstick. And the interesting thing is, I hate matte lipsticks on my lips. Maybe because my lips are old, they are lined and it shows every line. Well, if you take a matte lipstick in a color that you like and put this on, you'll see what happens. It's really interesting. So that's the second thing. The third thing that I wanted to just mention, I mean, this is just a quick mention. Last year for Christmas, I got one of those train cases very, very inexpensively. I either spent $11 on it or $14 on it, I forgot which, because it was shortly before Christmas and they were having a huge sale to get rid of whatever inventory they had left. Well, this year I got 2 train cases, again, very, very inexpensive, and there are a lot of YouTubers who will tell you this is great makeup for kids if they want to start out doing makeup, and you really can't use it for us. That's not been my experience. I cannot tell you what my experience will be with this one because I haven't used it yet. But if you take a look at it, it has a lot of stuff in it. It has face makeup. It's got eye makeup in 2 different tones, warm and cool. It has the lipsticks. It even has, in the bottom, it's got sponges, it has lip pencils, and it has brushes. That's a heck of a lot of stuff for a very little bit of money. And as I say, my experience has been really good with it, so I'm giving it a try again. And you'll be able to share your feelings on whether you think it's good for me or not. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to go with the cool colors. I'm just in the mood for that. So this is what the eye colors are, and I really love them. They're my kind of colors. So I'm going to do that. I'm not going to put you through the laborious process of watching me do all of that again, but I will show you the finished product. These are the warm colors. And again, I have all those lipsticks and lip liners and all of that. So we shall see exactly what kind of a look I can get from it, and you'll tell me whether you like it or not. You always do. Okay, I'm back with the makeup finished. The only thing I haven't done so far is I have not put on the Emile Cordon Miracle Lip Balm. So I'm going to be doing that in a couple of minutes. I just want to let this lipstick dry. Everything I have on, aside from my skincare and aside from my base makeup that I use, and today I'm not even wearing makeup really, I'm wearing my tinted moisturizer from Laura Mercier. This is not the one I typically wore, only because I ran out of it. I think I have another one somewhere, I hope. But this is the Illuminating Laura Mercier moisturizer. All the rest of the stuff is what was in that train kit. Very inexpensive kit. And again, there are a lot of people who will tell you that it's great for the kids starting out. It's really not real makeup for real adults. Well, you take a look and you tell me. Let me come in close. This is the eye makeup look that I achieved with it. Strictly with it, nothing else. The only thing that I did that is not part of the kit is my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. And that's what I've been using lately. And that is about it. The cheek, the highlight, the lipstick. The lipstick is their liquid lipstick that was in the kit, and their liner. The liner is very creamy. It really is terrific. And at this point, the only thing I'm going to add is the Emile Cordon lip balm, and today I'm doing the Rosé Imperial. So let me do that for you, and you'll see how that works. Yesterday, it was very, very cold here. And in the cold, my lips get chapped sometimes, and they hurt. This comes with a little spatula, that little spoon, that you can extract the product with so that you keep it clean and you don't have to worry about contaminating it. And this is what I took. I tried it yesterday for the first time. I took too much. I'm going to take a little bit less today. This stuff, though not inexpensive, should last a very long time. It really should. There's quite a bit of product in here. And considering the tiny little amount, now this time I took way less. I don't know if that's going to do it. Let me find out. So here we go. It just feels so good. It really does. As I said yesterday, I can't decide whether it feels like silk going on or velvet. It's extremely emollient. It's not the tiniest bit sticky. It did take off a good bit of the lipstick as I put it on. That's okay. Let's see. This is it. So tell me what you think. I really like it. I am going to make sure that I clean off my spatula before I put it back in the box, so it's all ready to go for the next time. And there we go. So that is it. And once again, I will have to say to the company, thank you so much, Emile Cordon, for sending me this wonderful product. I probably would not have discovered it on my own, though I know it's been on YouTube. A lot of YouTubers have shown it before, and they have talked about really liking it. But you know how it's like anything else. Until you try it yourself, you don't know what your reaction is going to be. I wore it all day yesterday. It felt wonderful. It just feels, I wish I could describe it better. It just feels so smooth. It's like you have a smooth protective layer on your lips that doesn't add a sticky or uncomfortable quality in any way. So once again, this is it. So that is the look. All right, once again today I need the photos from you, of you and your pets, if you want to do that, and I would love to have that. Doesn't have to be in one photo, can be separate photos of you and your pets. And I'm going to stick in, I'm not sure. I may or may not stick in bits and pieces of my trip to HomeGoods yesterday. And we shall see. But that's going to be it for now, and I have to get that other video up, the one that was the unboxing and the trying for the first time of the Emile Cordon Miracle Lip Balm. So that was wonderful. Really enjoyed that. Have a great day, everybody. I will see you tonight on our live, hopefully. I'm going to try to do it earlier tonight. I'm going to try to get it going. I don't know. I don't want to interfere with anybody's dinner if you're in the but everybody's in different time zones, so it really doesn't matter. I'm going to try to see if I can do it sometime between 7 and 8 o'clock tonight, Eastern time. We'll see if that works out. In any case, look for me sometime tonight. I'll try to give you a heads up if I can, but I'm definitely planning on being there. I will let you know at that time how this thing wore for the whole day. And if it wears anything the way it looks now, the eye makeup was very smooth. It's not at all cakey. It's easy to blend. It's nice. It's nice. I have been so pleased with Ulta Makeups. I just have done well with them myself over time. So that's my story for today. And I hope your day is as great as mine looks physically, because the sun is shining. It's a good thing. See you tonight. Okay, I'm ready to go out and start my day. So I put on carte blanche today. I haven't worn this in a while. It's got to be washed. So it's a perfect time to put it on before I take it in and do that. So that's it, guys. I will see you later. As I said, I will be here tonight to do a live, hopefully a little bit earlier tonight. I'm going to try for that 7 to 8 Eastern time. And I will let you know what happens the rest of my day. So far, I'm really liking this really, really inexpensive Ulta makeup. Let me bring you in close one more time. The colors I used today were the blues, those smoky blues, and pale lavender in the center. And I'm kind of liking it. I really kind of like the whole thing. So works for me. Let's see how it lasts for the day. I'll see you later.